I am the head of a family in this rural area. My name is Sakara.
I am Kusum, his wife and mother of Chingi and Ganya. I am Chingi. I am their daughter and sister of Ganya. I am my brother's reporter, which you say in Marathi. Bhavachi Chamchi.
I am Ganya, Ganpatrao, their son. I want to be a scientist and I take a scientific approach to everything. I am Dagdu, Ganya and Chingi's friend. I participate in all fun.
My name is Manya. Manikra. I am also their friend. We do all fun prank together. I am a gossip auntie. My name is Lakhubai. I am also a gossip auntie. My name is Sakhubai. If anything happens in the village, we both reach there. And then I also play the role of Kirtankar.
This is my family, heading the urban division. I am the main member of the family. My name is Rajeshra.
I am his son. My name is Sankal.
I am his daughter-in-law. My name is Sayami. I am his granddaughter and daughter of these two, Asmita. But call me Ash. I think all rural people are backward. कोयल कूके धूप उठाए यादों की बंदूक चलाए कोयल कूके धूप उठाए यादों की बंदूक चलाए बाहों में झूलों के मौसम वापस आए रे घर आजा परदेसी तेरा देश बुलाए रे घर आजा परदेसी तेरा देश बुलाए रे What? Feeling good today, isn't it? Swari looks very happy.
Yes, I am very happy. Uncle, their children, grandchildren are coming from the city. They are coming after 10 years. At last, they feel the soil of the village. Kusum, listen. काहीतरी कोडा दोडाचा बेत कर की एकदम झकास.
Don't worry, I will. Chingy, Ganya, Chingy, Ganya. Listen, guests are coming, so behave properly, okay?
जी हाँ माँ साहेब, तुमची आज्ञा पाळली जाईल.
कुसुम, चल पटकन, आले ते.
Oh no! Please don't! So irritating! Please don't apply this Kika! Oh God! Mom! It doesn't suit my dress! It's so sticky! Ash! Please! It's just a ritual!
पोराची पाठी आली की काय?
Keep quiet! काय बाई आजकालच्या पोरी? हा! Welcome! Welcome home! You're tired after traveling. Eat fresh, take rest. I'll call you later.
Okay.
Chingy! Ganya! What is going on with you two? What are you talking about? They're your uncle's family. Our guest. Have we forgotten? Atiti Deva Bhava.
No mom, we have not forgotten the teachings. Maybe these guests have forgotten the learnings of the village.
Shut up. Talks too much. I'll give you a slap.
Okay, just calm down.
Look, they're all tired and resting. All of you be quiet. Don't disturb them.
जी हाँ माँ साहेब, तुमची आज्ञा पाळली जाईल.
Mom, hand! Mom, please save me! Calm down, calm down. It's just a hand.
कोंबडी पळाली, लंगडी धरून लंगडी घालाया लागले.
in the power of a village man, we also have knowledge.
My brother is going to be a scientist. So please, calm down, calm down. I'll shout them. You calm down first. Go and wash your hands on me. Chingy! Tanya! Why do you act like this? Don't forget that. They are all our guests.
Okay, mom. जी हाँ माँ साहेब, तुमची आज्ञा पाळली जाईल.
No mom, please, no mom. It's evening time. Everyone, please come here. Have some shira.
या इथे बसा.
No mom, give me pasta. I'll eat pasta. Ew, I don't want it. Please, eat for now. What? Pasta? It's good. काय बाई आजकालच्या पोरी? Oh my deva.
Where is the scientist? Call him.
Dada.
Pasta is high in carbohydrates, which can be bad for you if consumed in excess. It also contains gluten, a type of protein that causes problems for gluten-sensitive people.
Shut up. Oh scientist, go now. It's time to water the cattle. Your father has gone to the serpent. Enough of this debate. Asmita, you also go. Now I'm going to remove dung from the barrel.
Ew, Auntie, please don't call me Asmita. Call me Ash.
What? Ash. The powdery residue after the burning of a substance.
Agar raak.
Shut your mouth. Oh great scientist, let's go to the barrel. The cattle started to cry. It's dinner time. Kaka, Asmita, Vahini, Bhauji, या मी पाळणं वाढते. Oh Chingy, take that cloth and wipe your dishes quickly.
What? This cloth? How dirty it is. Please don't wipe my plate with that cloth. Wait, I'll give you a handkerchief from my bag. My handkerchief is certainly cleaner than dirty cloth of yours.
ए मदर माऊली मासाहेब, हे जरा अतिच होत आहे. दादा, the scientist.
Why to fear when I am here? अगं ए राख.
Shut up. Call me Ash.
So, hey Ram, sorry. Ash, you come with me to Chondi's laboratory
Why?
to verify what you said, assertion and reason. I need answers to some questions. First question, do you even remember when you washed this purse?
What is the connection between washing the purse and wiping the plate?
See, you don't even remember when you washed the purse from which you took the handkerchief. That means if you look at this handkerchief under a microscope, you will find numerous germs on it. But this is the same cloth that my mother washes and dries in the sun every day. You know how germs die in the sun? So the conclusion is that this cloth is definitely cleaner than a handkerchief. Arey wah! Direct sixer!
Oh, scientist Maharaj, hit it first. Ash, don't take his words too hard.
Ash is saying the right thing. Stop underestimating everyone.
Agar Ash, even if they don't live in comfort, the village is a repository of a knowledge.
Everyone, please keep calm and pay attention to your food. And Asmita is not used to all this. You all understand her. Kaki? Ash, will you come to play with us tomorrow? It will be a lot of fun. Oh, what kind do you ask? Take her. Let her escape from the bondage of mobile games and enjoy the games on the ground. Let her enjoy every moment in the closeness of nature. My child. It's nothing. Everyone in our village preserves the culture very much. Every year they visit Pandharpur as a Varkari without fail. They celebrate every festival together, join in everyone's happiness and pain. Although this is a village, the fragrance of humanity always lingers here. Kaka, Asmita, Vahini, Bhauji, I want to tell you all an important thing. That is, a very famous Kirtankar is coming to our village. Her Kirtan is like voice of nectar. It seems that Goddess Saraswati is actually speaking from her mouth. So, will you all come to listen the Kirtan?
Very valuable news told. It's been a long time since listening to Kirtan. Those words of her are touching. My heart is really full. Let's all go to Kirtan and forget ourselves in God's devotion.
आज आपल्या मनात असंख्य रूपी राक्षस बसलेले आहेत ते म्हणजे काम क्रोध लोभ गर्व मत्सर. Today I want to tell about the relationship between Sri Krishna and Sudama. Sri Krishna is supreme soul, king of Dwapar city. Yet he has no pride. He is not proud of his position. Even that simple gift was appreciated by Sri Krishna when Sudama came to visit. Having placed his friend on the throne, Sri Krishna was sitting on the ground, serving him. What a beautiful scene! Where no position, no prestige is of any value, no distinction of high or poor. No one is superior or inferior. मग हे मानवा, तू का भेदाभेद करतोस? तुला कसला एवढा तुझ्या कर्तृत्वाचा गर्व आहे? कोण आहेस तू? अरे कोण आहेस तू? एक तुच्छ प्राणी? तुझ्या श्रीमंतीचा तुला गर्व झाला का? विसरू नकोस. अरे विसरू नकोस, तू ही या मातीतच मिसळून जाणार. ओला विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल. Mom, I'm really sorry. I was proud of my urban lifestyle. It is important that you realize your mistake. You first apologize to your uncle's family. You insulted them many times.
Apologize to them. They will forget everything, and people in rural area are very simple.
Yes, sure, I'll. Kaka, Kaku, Chingy, Ganya, I'm so sorry.
There is no sorry, no thank you. In our friendship,